Come test drive the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.